Welcome to Visual Verbs, the English learning channel that brings language to life through visuals. In this video, we'll explore essential verbs related to workouts and gym exercises. Happy learning! Lift. I lift heavy weights to build strength. Run. I run to improve fitness. Jump. They jump rope for a great cardio workout. Squat. I squat to strengthen my leg muscles. Push-ups. Do push-ups to work on your upper body strength. Pull-ups. He can do multiple pull-ups with ease. Stretch. Remember to stretch before and after your workout. Cycle. She cycles on the stationary bike for a cardio session. Bench press. He does bench press to strengthen his chest muscles. Plank. Hold a plank position to engage your core muscles. Burpee. The trainer demonstrates how to do burpees correctly. Crunch. Perform crunches for a strong core. Lunge. Lunge exercises will target your thighs and glutes. Row. Use the rowing machine for a full body workout. Deadlift. The instructor demonstrates the proper deadlift form. Box. Box for a fun and intense cardio workout. Step up. Step up on the platform to work on your legs. Leg press. Use the leg press to build lower body strength. Jumping jacks. Perform jumping jacks as part of your warm-up routine. Kettlebell swings. Kettlebell swings are great for a full body workout. High knees. Do high knees to elevate your heart rate. Curl. She will curl dumbbells to target her biceps. Chest fly. Use the chest fly machine to target the chest muscles. Leg extension. Use the leg extension machine for building leg muscles.
Unlock the power of English with visual verbs. Subscribe now for engaging and effective English language teaching. Hit that like button and join our community of learners. Let's embark on a journey of language improvement together. Subscribe today.